The distance range is pretty far on it.
Nice size battery. Just slide it right in. Maybe turn it upside down. What I would call upside down. Typically I would have the blaze a little bit up, but this is the right side up, right? So when you go to take off, control is very nice, very simple. You have your speed modes up here. You have a flip mode. When you hit the flip mode, it'll beep a few times. That means whatever direction you push, it will do the flip in that direction. You could turn the LEDs off on it as well. You could do some circle flying. Hit the circle button, pick a direction, it'll start making circles. You have the takeoff button just to make it a little easier. You don't have to use that. When you turn it on, hit up, turns on the motors. Hit up again, you'll start lifting off, but you could do the takeoff button if needed. Also has the headless mode, right? So for those of you that are a little bit better at flying, you might want to turn that off, but as you are learning and flying and in your direction from you coming back towards you, things like that, so that the controls don't flip, you can use headless mode. Therefore, right's always right, left's always left, regardless of if you're coming back at yourself. You hit the opposite, but it will counter for that if you use the headless mode. So really good when you're learning how to fly. You can calibrate the gyro, and of course you have your trim buttons. Very fun, very simple. Crash it a few times, very durable, which is what you want for a micro drone.
Yeah, so the
You're gonna stand
propellers
right
sit
there.
on the floor. Yeah, go ahead, take it off.
No.
Thanks for sending us this to review.